Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn numbers. Yes, today we are going to write numbers 1 till yes. Before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is pink color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is blue color. This is purple color. And this is green color. Yes, we are going to start with purple color. So, start from number 1. This is number 1. 1. After 1, which number will come? Yes, number 2. Number 2 we are going to write with yellow color. 1, 2. This is number 2. Very good. 1, 2. After 2, which number? Yes, number 3. Number 3 we are writing with pink color. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. After 3, which number will come? Yes, this is number 4. Number 4 we are writing with orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. This is number 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, which number? Yes, number 5. Number 5 we are writing with green color. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. After 5, which number will come? Yes, number 6. Number 6 we are writing with blue color. This is number 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, which number? Yes, number 7. Number 7 we are writing with yellow color. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, which number? Yes, number 8. Number 8 we are writing with purple color. This is number 8. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, which number? Yes, number 9. Number 9 we are writing with orange color. This is number 9. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, which number? Yes, number 10. Number 10 we are writing with pink color. Yes, this is last number 1, 0, 10. Very good. We have done all the numbers. Let's color in the cheek. Very good. In the cheek we are using this yellow color. Look, it looks very nice. See? Now we are doing here. Look, these are very cute. Let's color orange in the pig.
Şimdi
So we have done colorings. Let's repeat the numbers. 1, read with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number is number 10. Very good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.